I'm Dr. Mike Crovetti. I've performed over 3,000 successful hip and knee replacements at the Joint Replacement Center at Crovetti Orthopaedics and Sports Medicine. Hear what people are saying about it.
The level of professionalism was just ultra extraordinary.
And the care was just unbelievable.
I mean, literally I was treated like a king here at the surgery center. So
the staff, the food, the private rooms.
Everything from the staff, from the minute I checked in to going through the Coronado Suite recovery area, that was amazing.
Incredible experience. It was like better than being at home.
Dr. Crovetti, his staff in the surgical center was just fantastic.
Best care I've ever had in my life. I was spoiled rotten.
Better than being at home. The care and the food and the whole experience was far better than being in the hospital.
Could not be any happier. The entire Crovetti orthopedic experience
made the whole process of having this procedure so easy.
The staff was fantastic.
It was the best experience I've ever had in my life when it comes to my own health.
The recovery center, excellent. It was just a wonderful experience.
Facility here, the experience that I had was wonderful.
The recovery suites, it has been a great experience.
I mean, it was like a 5-star experience.
The surgical suites were fantastic. The staff was awesome. They were so attentive. It was a great experience.
I had been in a hospital before, and this experience was just completely different. It was just a level so much higher than the care I was used to.
The surgical suites, it was an amazing place to be able to stay.
It's about Dr. Crovetti and his staff and the surgical center. The facilities are wonderful. The recovery suites are over the top.
I recommend Dr. Crovetti, and several friends have been through him already.
To learn more about the Joint Replacement Center, visit CrovettiOrtho.com.